Alright, what's going on, y'all? So we're out here today. We're gonna be throwing on these lower control arms that I cut and extended. We're gonna be throwing them on the Cressida today because I'm trying to go lower, bro. Like a lot more lower, enough to match the back. Let me see. Let me try to focus. Enough to match the back for sure. But we got smaller dampeners, smaller springs, and I recently just bought these ball joints and I've been waiting to put them in. Well, I've been meaning to. Let me adjust this real quick. I've been meaning to throw these extended little control arms in for a while now, but I needed to throw on ball joints because I don't want to mess up the alignment. I mean, obviously when I'm lower and throw these on, I'm gonna mess the alignment, but I didn't want to have to. It's just good to just put new ball joints, right? So that's what I did. And so me and the homie Juan, we're gonna do this today. I'm just started. I got here early before he did, but he's coming pretty soon. But he's gonna help me lower it. But here's just a quick walk around. Nothing different from last time you guys saw it. Different rims, obviously. So that's a lot more different. And then I'm not sure if in the last video the banner was there, but I made a banner. And yeah, you know, did a little cool thing with what's that stuff called? I forgot what type of tape it is, but we went ahead and did that, and so now looks pretty cool. Let me get that to focus real quick. Hold up. There you go. So that actually looks pretty cool. But yeah, today we're just gonna be dropping the car some more and throwing some extended control arms. But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just waiting for Juan, so I'm gonna get this all ready up for him and stuff. Oh, I'm gonna get this all ready so we can get going on this. But I'll set you guys down and see how far I get. Let me just set you guys up perfectly so where y'all can see me doing all this. Alright, cool. First things first, I'm gonna break the lug nuts. Cool. I'm gonna go do that to the other side. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna put the camera away, so I'm gonna get this car all jacked up and whatnot. It's hella hot out here, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, homie Juan just pulled up, but we finna get to work on this Cressida. Hey, fool, I already got the car all jacked up, so.
Dude, you have a fucking BMW exhaust.
Dude.
What is it called? The Mini Cooper one that comes out the middle?
Dude, it's almost out the middle. I still haven't fixed it either, fool. But I already got the car jacked up.
You already got faded too.
Dude, yeah, sabes, amigo. That was not, but I already broke the lug studs, the lug nuts or whatever.
So they're loose?
Yeah, they're loose boys. But, whew, there's the homie Juan. But yeah, we're gonna get to work on this. The car's already jacked up in the air. Damn, fool. Look how much oil I'm leaking.
Just letting you know it has oil.
Shit, that's one way to know. Yeah, snap.
Can you tell I've been watching hella TikToks today?
Yeah?
Yeah, but everything whenever somebody tells me anything, I'm just like, yeah, bro, duh. Angie came home right now with a bunch of groceries and shit. She's like, I got groceries. I was like, sick, that's food, right?
I thought I had to move all the cars out of the way. All I had was to move the Hitler mobile out of the way.
What happened to the first Hitler? Oh,
It's still there. Yeah. You trying to take a ride in the other one?
Yeah, fuck yeah. If we can, I'm fucking down.
I will. Alright. Alright, listen to this.
Damn, these wheels get hot as fuck.
No, bro. They're pretty hot.
Look at all your camera wear. That's gnarly.
It's not that bad.
It's pretty not bad.
Damn!
You're literally not even rolling on your tread. You're just rolling on this edge.
Fuck. Well, hey, we got the rims off, and we're gonna go take a ride in this whip right now.
We're gonna do it now?
Yeah, fool. It's good while the sun's out, fool.
Vapor cane. Go.
All right, fool, here.
The American racing on
That's Juan's whip. It's pretty sick.
It's a drift car.
Bro, we're gonna go drift it, dude.
Oh shit. That's kind of nice.
Hey, throw all that stuff in the back.
Hood latch cause race car.
Before you got the tea and the biscuits.
Instruction. Damn! Fucking bucket seats for Hank Hill's little ass. Oh, holy shit,
Hold up, here. Grab this, bro. I don't think there's any way to adjust the seat.
Oh shit, I was like, where my legs gonna go? Look at all this leg room. Let's go. I thought I had to sit like this, but there's this much leg room.
Oh, my seat's broken! My seat's dead ass broken!
Dude, I gotta be my own harness bar.
Oh, dead ass. Oh shit, fool. So guess what kind of car this is, fool?
Hitler moment. I don't know, but it has a pretty fresh ass Nardi.
Bro, right?
I'm pumping wheelies! I'm pumping wheelies! This thing is bad. Bro, look at these over fenders.
Oh shit.
Damn, that's a anti-theft hidden shifter. Oh shit, I'm leaning back. My hat! There goes my hat!
Your hat.
Oh, my hat's right here. Is this road legal?
Bro, I don't even know, dude. I guess it's called a Chevette or some shit. Fool.
Chevette?
Yeah.
When you can't afford a Corvette but you still want to look like the shit, you got a Chevette.
You get a Chevette and you put a fucking fiberglass box.
Hopefully it rains, bro. We go to night skidding.
Alright, so I took one of the bolts out to this because these are Techno Toy Tuning roll camber adjusters. So what I gotta do is I gotta take one of these bad boy bolts out on both sides. This Toyota got two. Another one's right here, somewhere right here where my finger's at. Right there, right there, this one. So that one's gonna come off. And then a bolt from back here. That's gonna come off. Then this whole lower control arm comes off and this sets down. And what we gotta do, Juan, is we gotta take this off. We gotta take the shock, the whole coilover out. And then unscrew all that. I don't know how to do.
Do you have zip ties or metal hangers so that you can just unbolt the whole caliper together and take off the...
I mean, yeah, but that means I have to take out the wheel bearing.
Oh, we're just changing the...
We're just changing
the
this,
spring, right?
the spring and the dampener.
You're gonna change this?
Yeah.
This shit just spins out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, yeah. So we'll go at it as we can, but first let's just start on the lower control arm because the weather looks pretty shitty right now.
I hope it rains.
Me too, dude.
If it rains, I'll take you skidding.
Hell yeah, dude. But we're gonna do that real quick and
Shit, that reminds me, I have to post today. I'll post today.
it's gonna be bad. There's a dust storm happening, and we barely just started. So sheesh. We just might go, bro, cause like it's too bad.
Dude, this is fucking horrible.
Bro, hold this while I put everything back.
Mother Nature said, not today, Junior. Fuck. My bad, G, my bad. Remember how you said you don't work on Saturdays?
Yeah.
Mother Nature was like, you don't work on Saturdays.
Real shit, bro. He's like, no.
Oh, these are two separate pieces?
Yeah,
They both go, one for each.
side.
Okay. I was like, what the fuck? Why did he separate them? Do they go together?
Oh yeah, by the way, I also got tie rod extenders from Excessive Manufacturing.
Sheesh.
But
That perrón.
yeah, I know, bro.
You should put a when you see in this one too.
Bro, if I have it that long. Let me see.
Some
I
fool.
forgot how the fuck this goes on, fuck.
Look, let me see it. Point it at me again.
I think it goes on.
I think that goes on top.
It goes out like that, right?
I think so, yeah. Yeah, because the top part has to slide into here.
Oh, I know that. Oh, there's one like this on, okay.
Push this down. Yeah, that's how you had it. That's the less camber side, right?
Yeah. Well, sorry, y'all.
It's all good. Oh, is this
thought we
on?
were going-
No, this is on. My bad.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was filming.
I thought we weren't gonna be able to get this on, but
Yeah, that shit looked like it was not gonna take that long.
yeah. My phone just.
I totally forgot that your coilover is welded to the thing.
Yeah, dude, this sucks.
Damn, that means we gotta use the little tool to unscrew it, huh?
Fuck, dude. So last time the way I did this, how the fuck I
You
remember?
pried it down or what? Ready, Freddy?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll try to pry it.
Oh, fuck. Okay, let it go down.
More?
Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, let it go?
Yeah, let it go. See where it sets.
Where we at?
Right on it.
Cool beans.
Here, hold this. Good shits. Oh, we're in. Cool.
It's War of the Worlds. Oh, look, it's clear right there. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. What are those dudes from Canada? Fuck, I forgot
Voice
their
boys?
names. Yes, you watch their videos?
Yeah.
We should make videos like those fools.
Bro, I'm down.
Just like speaking all funny and shit, like in character.
Dude, I'm dead ass down.
I can talk like this.
Dude, it's not going in, dude.
What was that?
I don't know, dude.
Is that in the car?
There's lightning?
Over here, man, there's like a whoa.
I heard that too. I was like, what was
That's what that noise was?
I was out there with the car washer and I kept hearing it. Whoa.
Oh, snap, man.
I was like, oh shit, I've never like
War of the Worlds.
Dude, this is.
That's funny.
Dude, I was like, what was that?
I thought that was your car making that noise.
Dude,
I was
I
like, the
didn't
car's
know.
gonna fall. Was it? Want to see it now?
That's just our shot maker.
It's right above it.
Hey yo, Arizona Jack.
Oh man, we're just gonna put these bad boys back on and do some other games.
I think your wheel fell on the other side.
Well, this is the same time where around the same time where my first motor, remember my motor blew the first time? Got waterlogged. It's the same time where that shit happened, bro.
What do you mean?
Dust storm.
Oh, I'm weak. Give me thunder.
Hey, fool, do me the favor.
Oh, he listened. What? Yo, I said give. Put the jack on this side? Yo, I said give me thunder, and then thunder happened. Oh shit. Dead ass, bro.
Hey, so we're gonna just wrap it up. Dust storm came through it, messed up everything up. Yeah, we're just gonna get out of here because it's pretty bad. My camera's about to die. I'll take videos of us drifting if we go drifting. But yeah, as of right now, we had the bail on the lower control arms and the shocks. Dude.
Yeah, we finna do it like this, the last one, okay? They got me boiling like a pot of coffee. Call me for coffee. A John Gotti, leaving number bloody bodies. When I leave the scene, I'm smoking like green and sipping here. Scoop up all my friends, time to do this gangsta shit again. My niggas rolling deep, we creeping, crawling and balling and bust our ass. Niggas finna stop calling.